Whether you're trying to export data as a CSV file for third-party systems or as an Excel document for a report, getting data out of Service Manager is a useful technical skill. In this video, we will cover how to create an action that exports data using a SSRS report. To begin, first open the business object that you want to export your data from. In our example here, we're going to export data using a SSRS report for aged incidents by 15 days. From the Business Objects workspace, click More, then Edit Actions. The Action Designer opens. From here, click Create New Actions and select Export Data. In the Action Designer workspace, fill out the name under Enter Action Name. Next, click on the Report Name field and select the SSRS report you wish to export data from. If you can't locate the report you're looking for, it's likely that your report isn't configured to be run as an action. If this is the case, search for and open your report in the Report business object. Under Reporting Options, select the option Can Run from Export Data Quick Action. Back in our new data export action, open the Connection drop-down and select your connector. This is where your data will be exported. If you haven't yet created your connection, open the Configuration console and under Integration Tools, select Data Export Connections. Then select Add New. Fill out the connection name and select your location, either FTP or shared folder. Then define your server path and data file prefix, as well as the login and password. Lastly, test your connection and save. Returning to the data export action, the next field available is Schedule. We'll skip this for now and fill out the fields for Team, Export Format, Field Delimiter, Publish To, and Category. With these fields defined, we can test our export data action. After saving our entries and navigating back to the incident workspace, we'll select our new export data action. Navigating to our export folder in the shared network, we can see the data export file with our previously defined prefix and action name, along with a string of numbers that act as a unique identifier for each file. With our export data action verified as functioning properly, we can configure the option to have this action run automatically on a recurring schedule. Going back into the Action Editor, we see the Schedule field's drop-down menu containing previously defined schedules. If there aren't any schedules available that are set to your desired timetable, you can make a new schedule. In the Configuration console under Monitor, select Scheduled Jobs. Select New and choose your desired schedule type. Because our report is based on aged incidents by 15 days, we'll select Weekly. Next, write out the name of the new schedule and define the remaining fields. Click Save. Back in our Export Data action, select your new schedule and save. Returning to our newly defined schedule, hit Refresh. We can see that the integration is listed with the export folder attached. A good practice here to make sure your schedule is running properly is to test it by selecting a time that is 1 minute ahead of your current time. After enough time has passed, open your folder where the data is to be exported. If a new export file appears in your folder, you're in good shape. Afterward, make sure to reset your schedule to the desired start time.